channel, or if you're new, my name's Taylor, and it's almost Christmas, and so today I'm here with my mom. And I got this idea because earlier I was wrapping a present and I'm not very good at it, but my mom is a total expert at wrapping presents.
Done it for a long time.
And she's done it for years and years, and she's like has this really good technique down, so I thought it would be fun to share it on my channel. So I guess we can just get started.
Okay. So first, you need to have paper that will absolutely fit, of course, your box or whatever you're wrapping. But the best way to minimize waste of paper is by measuring about half the side, up the side of your gift, and then on the other side do about the same and try to cut about what you think would be about halfway up.
Yeah, so basically what she was just showing was the side of the present. It should be about halfway, like halfway up the side right there. Okay.
And then on the other side, you cut about what you would think would be about halfway up the other side. A lot of paper. So also you take the top of your present and you put it upside down. See how the sides go?
And we do it upside down because that way when they open the present, the top of the present is on top. I always somehow always forget to do that. So what are you doing now?
Well, to make your seams look prettier, fold some of your paper. You can even, by even saving paper even further, you can do about the same thing. You can cut a little extra off, but for this purpose, we're just gonna leave it like this. So this just helps with making things look really nice. So that looks a lot smoother and nicer just having a fold as opposed to just a rough seam. You should really technically only need to use 3 pieces of tape for the bottom. And then you fold your sides in. You're going to go this way. And then you bring the corner in and then you fold it down. Do the same on this side. Fold it down and it gives a nice crisp edge. Yeah. And then again, like that.
Okay, so fold so you did. So first you folded. First you creased it out like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then you folded it in like this, and you creased it where? You creased it there?
Just, again, crease it down along the bottom.
Oh, okay.
And then do the same on the other side. Hold it, and then you crease it down the bottom.
Okay.
And then, again, fold a little tab like that, just so that it looks neat, and your edges looks just like this, and not rough. You fold it in. And then again,
This
just
lines up perfectly.
one piece of tape for the bottom, and then do the same on this side. Pull down, and then you crease the side of the edge. Same on the other side. And again, you can fold in and down along the bottom. Like that. And again, down along the bottom. And once again, fold your little tab so it looks nice. One last piece of tape and 3 little pieces. There you go. And nice looking gift.
Okay. Okay, great.
The next thing is just to pick a bow.
Okay. I think a red one. Maybe this shiny
I usually don't trust the little sticky part. It always pops up anyways. So I just use a tiny little piece of tape for each side of the little sticky thing, because they just don't hold. They always pop off, so I just do it this way.
Okay.
And then the last thing is to pick a tag.
So this present is for my dad.
Just cut and put it through the hole. That's kind of cute.
I like this one.
Yeah, that's a cute one. All right, so pick your tag. You just gotta tie on it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the last thing is to tape it. Put a little piece of tape across here like this. And then tuck that right underneath.
Okay, so there you have it, the perfectly wrapped present. Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, it was fun.
And we'll see you guys next time. Merry Christmas, Happy
Christmas.
Holidays. Bye.